This listing brought to you by the Elson team at Remaxability Plus. Location. This beautiful English Tudor 4-bedroom 3-bath home is packing a lot of space with 3,496 square feet including finished basement. Kitchen completely gutted and upgraded with stained glass doors, granite counter and cute breakfast nook with skylight letting in natural light. Refinished hardwood floors and new carpet. Enjoy the beautiful limestone fireplace on those winter nights. 2 full bath upstairs and 1 full bath on main level, 2 up and 2 main floor bedrooms with 1 being used as an office. Outside living space with plenty of room to entertain. About 2 blocks from Red Line bus station and to Broad Ripple nightlife. Sewer system had been completely redone, so no clay tile. Come see this home, you will not be disappointed.